Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain why are your texts green on your iPhone. You can see now that a text that I've sent is blue, so it's through iMessage. Now if I send it again, then it gets green. And why is it green? There may be several reasons for it. In this case exactly, it's because one of the members of the group that I have right here, I have a group, right? One of the members here is unavailable. Currently, like the SIM card is not connected at all, and that's why like the iMessage server cannot detect the iPhone of that user as active, so it's sending an SMS to make sure that the message gets delivered, because iMessage is a standard between only iPhones or other Apple devices. So if iMessage server is unsure that the receiver will be able to get it on iPhone, it will send an SMS. Now, it's not always like that. Sometimes it's just because you are actually texting a person with Android and there's nothing to do about it. In this case, like that, when I know that just one of the persons is unavailable, they just need to get available with their iPhone to in order for it to work, and it works both on groups when one of the members happens to not have iMessage. They also may need to just do a few fixes that we're gonna do in your case. So like I'll tell you that later. And also like it may just work on the private messages between one-on-one person, and it may be because that person is unavailable, or because that person just uses an Android phone, and it's gonna be green. Now the fixes for it should be done both by you and by the person like that the problem occurs with. So the settings, then apps, then you should go to messages, and now go to iMessage, disable it, wait for about 30 seconds, then re-enable it, and go to send and receive. Now make sure that both receiving and sending messages is enabled here, that it's set to a certain number. In my case it's set to my number, and it should work. Also make sure that that person also has it enabled. Now if it still doesn't work, try just restarting your iPhone by pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons. Then slide to power off, wait for 30 seconds, and then press and hold on the power button until the phone goes on. Now, if this didn't help, make sure that you have internet connection, either your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, because iMessage only works when there is internet connection. What is great about it is that your carrier doesn't charge you for it, because it goes through the internet, through the iMessage server on Apple servers, but requires the internet. So if you don't have internet connection, or that person that you're sending messages to doesn't have internet connection, then it'll be a green bubble. Now, if this still didn't help, go to General, go to Software Update, and make sure that the newest software version is installed. If not, try installing the newer one. It may fix some bugs. And as the last thing, if it still occurs, you may need to go to your Apple account at the top, go all the way down and sign out, then re-sign into your Apple account. And that should help you. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.